Light is not working, no. Hey, this is funny. It's not working. Hello, family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this giant ring light. It's very big and giant. This is what we are going to be unboxing in today's video. Look at how giant the ring light is. Very big. This is 22 inches ring light. So I ordered it online. So the thing came yesterday. So I decided to open it here in the front of the camera so we all can see it. A very big giant 22 inches ring light. My son is here. Just in case you hear any noise, pardon us. Just pardon us. So I'm going to be opening it now. I don't want to film it inside the house. There's no lightning in the room. I'm here watching them. Can you stop making noise? Can you stop it? Can you stop shouting? So he's here watching Tutu Boy. I decided to put it on silent, the television on silent, so it will not disturb my filming. So they will not go and give me copyright. This is the ring light. It came with a bag. Very big. And a stand as well. I hope, I'm scared, I'm so scared of opening it. I hope it's not broken because it's very big and they didn't even put anything to package it to prevent it from breaking. Ooh, this is big. This is big. This is big. This is no joke, Sha. This is no joke. Look. Look! It's very big. This ring light is very big. And it's not even heavy. It's very big. So these are the, I don't know, let me say, okay, this is the stand. And this one is even heavier than the ring light. The stand is more heavy than the ring light. No, you don't have to touch anything. No. This one is good though. It's like this one is original. It's like this one is original. The one I bought before, the one I'm using now. If I'm filming, the thing will be going down by itself. The knot, this one is strong. This one is really strong. Look now, look. Let's leave it. This is big, man. This is big. Don't come close to this ring light, though. I'm warning you now. It's very big. So these are the. Don't touch it, okay? If I'm going to use, I'll be using just one. It came with three. Using just this middle one, so I'll keep all these one. So this is the remote control. So it came with battery as well. Eva, no. Don't touch it. This is very expensive, okay? You don't need to touch it. It's very expensive. Don't touch it, oh, please. I'm begging you. I will try it now. I'm going to be plugging it and see how bright is the ring light. I think it's this place. I'll plug it now. I don't know, when did they on it? So this is my first time of using ring light. I don't even know where to on the ring light. Or it's not plugged properly now. I don't even know. Calm down. Okay. See, he's crying. It's okay. It's okay. Ring light. Ring light. Yeah, ring light. Nyam nyam kuku. Nyam kuku. The ring light is not working, no. Hey, this is funny. It's not working. I don't know. Did I plug it away? Hey, I've been duped. Oh, I've been duped. Ring light is not working. This is not funny. This is not funny at all. Okay. Hey, my village people. It's working now. It's working. Can you see that? It's working. I don't know that there's this place. There's a place here. So I just press it and the thing just nah. Check it out nah. You check it out. I was so scared, I was so scared. Check it out now. Check it out now. You just check it out. Check it out. I have a ring light now. I have a ring light now. I have a ring light now. I was about to cry. It's mad. See the lightning now. Just check out the lightning. I didn't see it ever. That's for mommy. That's for mommy. My son is dancing. That's for mommy. That's for mommy. That's for mommy. That's for mommy. That's for happy, Sha. I'm happy. This is my ring light. This is 22 inches ring light. Check it out. 22 inches ring light. I'm very, very happy, Sha. I'm very, very happy. So this is the bag. So if I'm done filming, I can just pack it inside this bag. I'll just put it in the bag, then I'll go and keep it. No, the ring light is very big. It's very, very big. This is my first time having a ring light. And I bought the biggest one, 22 inches. I'm happy. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Look at the bag now. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I'm very happy, I'm very excited. So I think I'm going to be ending this vlog here. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my video and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye. So this is the bag. Just in case maybe I want to travel or I'm going to go somewhere, I can just pack it in my bag like this. And this is the remote control. So I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Okay, I'm going to be ending this vlog here, Sha. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my video and give it a thumbs up. And see you guys on my next one. Bye.